Hello everybody and welcome on this new extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So again my friends, before we start, please don't forget to leave a good comment and of course hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and please share the video. So of course, if you guys remember, I have already sent here a signal to sell the gold from 2353.11. The gold has indeed reversed at that point for a few pips, but right now I believe that we have a price action that actually might change this signal. So I would rather actually now to give you a better entry for it, and that's the reason I had to make this video right now. And keep in mind, it's really early right here, so I would really appreciate, guys, the likes and the comments if you guys don't mind, please. Now, so let me just tell you something. We are stick to the selling order to the gold, but of course we have now to change the entry, because now I believe that the gold is going to continue the rise for at least another 200 pips. First of all, let me just now please delete the old signal so we can have a clear chart. Now, based on the weekly chart, as I told you, my friends, the gold is indeed reversing so far and seems like it's going to continue the fall, but the current candle so far is still blue. Now, keep in mind that this is the weekly chart and this candle is still alive, still has more than 4 days and almost 5 days actually for the expiration. So therefore, this candle is still alive and most likely we can still catch a few pips in it before it starts the bearish fall. Now, daily chart. Daily chart here, as I told you, my friends, if you remember, I said that this price action right here, this inverted hammer, is actually a very good price action, indicates for the bullish reversal. Now, that is exactly what's happening. Right now, the gold is rising. So meaning, this level of the resistance right here exactly, where we have actually decided to sell the gold, is not really being respected. I believe that the gold, after seeing this price action right here, is actually going to continue the rise. So the market is going to make a pullback before it starts the correction. So therefore, the gold, my friends, is still going to continue the rise. Now, where exactly we can start selling the gold? That's the big question. The answer, of course, if you can see right here, we have, of course, here a support trend line. Again, I'm still on the daily chart. So right here, clearly, we can see that we have here, of course, a respected level of a support trend line. And keep in mind, this is the daily chart we're talking about. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts of a support trend line that has been immediately broken out from, and now the gold is rising again to retest the broken level of the support trend line, and most likely it will create a new resistance trend line. Hopefully that's what will gonna happen. So we had now to squeeze the chart like this, and of course the first thing that we can notice here on the daily chart is the double top pattern, which indicates, of course, that the gold will continue to fall at least to reach this level of support at 2291.73. I believe that this is going to be eventually the target. So what will going to happen now, in my opinion, with the gold is, after retesting the broken level of a support trend line and creates here a new resistance trend line, it will continue to fall till it reach that level of a support level, and afterward the gold might actually continue the rise again to retest again. Then at that time we might witness a triple top pattern. But until then, let's just anticipate until the gold actually reach this level of a resistance trend line. So by looking at the resistance trend line and combining it with this level of a resistance right here exactly at 2378.10, now we actually have a very good entry that we have to wait for till the gold reach this level of a resistance. After it rises to another 240 pips, and this level of resistance at 2378.10 will most likely gonna be respected. If that happens, we can actually look for a big jackpot, because we will actually aim at least the nearest level of a key support at 2305.53, which means we can look for around 700 pips. Guys, that's gonna be insane. Hopefully we will really make it. However, the safe zone is also gonna be a little bit bigger. It's gonna be right here till the highest level of a resistance, because Our original analysis is actually mainly based on that level of a support trend line to retest it with to create, of course, a new resistance trend line. So if the gold will actually be able to reach that level of a resistance, then this setup is no longer valid, and it seems like this level of a support trend line has not been respected. So therefore, this safe zone, my friends, will be ranging for around 345 pips. But meantime, the take profit level will be around 720 pips. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And as I'm telling you always, my friends, please don't trade by yourself. Always trade with the Xtreme Trader team. This is, of course, our free group of Telegram. You can join it for free. You don't have to pay anything at all. The link can be found in the description below of this video, or you can just simply look for Xtreme Trader Signals. But just please make sure that you are joining the real and authentic channel on Telegram for Xtreme Trader, because there are actually more than 12 scammers I have found so far pretending to be Xtreme Trader using our name and logo. Please, guys, be careful and aware about them. We are receiving actually almost daily messages complaining that some people actually have fallen already to those scammers, and they have sent them funds to trade, and that is actually stolen already. They have stolen the funds of the victims. We never do that, and that is actually really the reason why some people accusing Xtreme Trader to be a scammers. They think that we are the scammers. They think that we are the one who took their funds. They don't realize that those are scammers who actually impersonating us. They are pretending to be Xtreme Trader. We will never ask you to send funds. We will only sell forex signals in our VIP group of Telegram, and that's gonna be it. So until then, my friends, please be careful and wise. And of course, the reason to join this group is because I will send you updates and notifications about this one. For example, if I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you right here on this Telegram channel to close the signal in loss, or actually maybe to tell you to close it in a small profit, depends on the price action. You will receive these updates directly from me personally. So make sure to join the group and just trade with the Xtreme Trader team. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.